how do you encourage innovation? Is that kind of the root of the question there?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. In my humble opinion, I think finding a place where there's frustration in the industry, right? What are some of the bottlenecks? What are some of the challenging issues that a customer or industry faces? And then trying to offer something that solves that problem, makes it simpler, may even reduce the cost as well, is a great way to jumpstart innovation in an industry and get early adoption. That said, um, certain industries can be a little cautious there. Like, hey, we've got our method. Maybe it's not perfect, but we know what we're doing. There's a lot of, domain knowledge, maybe people in the industry 20 or 30 years, right? So how do you then get a customer to give you a shot, right? So I think there it's important to get a product and a customer to do a trial, right? Do some pilots, get some early partners, especially some people who might talk amongst their industry friends, right? So you got to get it out there. You got to get some people willing to work with you, give feedback. That's really important, right? You have an idea of how you think the customer wants to use it, but 9 times out of 10, you're going to be a little bit off on that. You're going to need some guidance from people who actually who use it in the field and know what they're doing. So I think, in my opinion, the early adoption is, again, to summarize, finding that bottleneck, finding that pain point, and then offering something and listening to the feedback. And I think those are 2 or 3 points that are really important in getting uh, innovation going in an industry.